Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an image overlay in Webflow. This is a fantastic technique that adds visual depth to your images and can help improve the readability of text placed over photos. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can see all your projects and sites. Navigate to your All Sites section, then hover your mouse over the specific site where you want to create the image overlay. Click on Open in Webflow to launch the site editor. Now that you're in the Canvas editor, click on the image where you want to add the overlay. This is the image that will have the colored layer on top of it, creating that professional overlay effect. With your image selected, direct your attention to the left panel and click the plus icon. This button opens up the Elements panel where you can add various components to your design. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type DevBlock and then drag it directly onto your image. This DevBlock will serve as the overlay layer that sits on top of your image. The key here is positioning it correctly so it covers the entire image area. Next, look over to the right panel where you'll find all the styling options for your DevBlock. Navigate to the section labeled Position and click on the drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Absolute. This positioning setting is crucial because it allows the div block to sit directly on top of the image without disrupting the rest of your layout. Once you've set the position to Absolute, you'll see several options appear underneath. Click on Full. This option automatically makes the div block cover the entire area of its parent element, which in this case is your image. This ensures your overlay extends from edge to edge without any gaps. Now, scroll down in the right panel until you find the Background section. This is where you'll define the color and appearance of your overlay. Click on the color picker to adjust the color of your overlay. You can choose any color that fits your design, whether it's a dark shade to make white text pop or a subtle tint to enhance the image's mood. You can also adjust the opacity of this color to control how much of the original image shows through the overlay. And there you have it, a clean, professional image overlay in Webflow that enhances your design and improves visual hierarchy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.